So as I neared the end of my 8th grade school year and I started to transition into high school, I developed this passion for motorcycles. And how did this passion sprout, you may ask? Well, one of the ways was seeing how these bikers would ride their own bikes, how these bikes sounded, the way these bikes looked, and obviously how fast a person can go on one of these machines. I mean, I was hooked instantly. The other way, which actually lines in with the topic of today's video, ladies and gentlemen, motovlogs. Motovlogs on YouTube specifically. I mean, Do It With Dan, 644 Honda, Suburban Delinquent are a few out of the selection of OG motovloggers whose content I consume regularly on a daily basis. Back when I didn't have a bike myself and couldn't get one for a while actually. It was these videos, these motovlogs on YouTube, that not only kept my passion for bikes ignited for such a long time, but it also opened my eyes as to all the different experiences I could enjoy while riding bikes. And it also showed me a way to showcase my passion to the rest of the world. And you see, this is where YouTube comes in. It allows me to make a variety of content about a hobby I really enjoy. Making videos like this on YouTube allows me to express my creativity in my own way. And so to round all this up, ladies and gentlemen, there are always going to be people like me and you who loves motorcycles. And what are we going to do when we're not messing around with our own bikes? Well, most likely we're going to consume content like this, like these videos on YouTube. So the point is, the audience will always be there. Secondly, YouTube. Now, YouTube is a vast platform where people make content about anything nowadays. And I say that to say, I don't believe they are shadow banning the whole motovlog community. But more so, as evident these last few years, right? They are cracking down on recklessness committed by motovloggers. I mean, excessive speeding, lane splitting, evading police, racing, etc. are all, for the most part, illegal acts, to be honest with y'all. You feel me? And so we are starting to see videos being demonetized for such behavior, and I understand them. I really do. Because paying motovloggers for committing these illegal, reckless acts looks bad on them as a business, okay? And not only that, it would also promote other riders to do the same thing. So I get it, all right? But it is 100% possible to grow a successful motovlog YouTube channel going into 2025. Even now, every other day, I'm seeing relatively new channels gaining traction and taking off. The audience for motorcycle content is big on YouTube, undoubtedly. But it seems as though if you want to monetize your channel or get certain sponsors, you may have to chill out on certain actions in your videos, you know. If you don't care about any of that monetization stuff, I mean, brother, sister, hey, ride and upload what you wish, because I can definitely tell you people love that type of content for sure, right? And I mean, and secondly, it's a passion, right? I mean, it's up to you, but you do it whether you making money off it or not. You know, that's what a passion is. So, you know, or maybe a lot of these guys have workarounds at YouTube. I don't know, but me personally, I prefer to make passion. I mean, I prefer to make money for my passion. You feel me? But all in all, you just have to create creative and engaging content for your viewers that falls within YouTube's guidelines. That's all. And you are going to put yourself on a path to success. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. I will see y'all soon.